KV, so far scientific. We talk about three kinds of group: monophyletic, paraphyletic, polyphyletic. A monophyletic group means one ancestor, all descendants. Example, mammals, they all come from one ancestor. A paraphyletic group means one ancestor but not all descendants. Example, reptiles without birds. Birds are reptiles. 2. So living then out is wrong. Polyphyletic group means species that look alike but are not close relative. Example, bat and birds both fly, but wings evolve in different ways. So remember, monophyletic, true family, paraphyletic, missing cousin, and polyphyletic, fake friends. Codistic today keeps only monophyletic groups because they show real evolution. Subscribe, like.